Hi guys, this is Ashrith Edukulla, and in this video, we're going to talk about the best books for IOQM. So I have given some books, maybe I have given 8 books here. So let us check. These are one of the best books for IOQM, for IOQM and AIME preparation. You don't need to go any book out of these books. So just a second, guys. I'm gonna start. Oh, okay, fine. So the first main 2 books, what I would prefer is either the Allen material or the or the Pathfinder book. So as you can see, these 2 books were written by a uh, very good like authorized people and who are really nice. So this is a really nice book, the Allen material, Allen material for PRMO. It's a really good material, and this is written by Prashant Jain. In this book, sir has given almost all the questions from AMC, AIME. Sir copy pasted all the questions from AMC and AIME, which makes the book really incredible. The book is really nice for AMC and AIME preparation because it has all the PYQs of AMC, AIME, and sir also included topic wise questions. So I would prefer going to this book or this book. So if you're starting from basic, absolute basic, like you're just starting for PRMO, so I prefer go with the Pathfinder. And if you already know some concept and you want to do it like till a higher level, go to the Allen's book, because this thing is directly from little advanced, and this is from like totally basic. And pre-college math, some people say that it's not required, but I say it's required because this will help you. This will help you a lot. This has a lot of concepts which are there for PRMO 5 markers, and it will help in RMO also. It is good if you complete your RMO syllabus before PRMO because it will make your like thinking skills better. Plus your way of problem solving is also better. So there's some RMO problem solving techniques what I learned while learning for RMO, and I realized it afterwards. So when I was reading for PRMO, I did not know we could do it like this or like that. But when I was reading for RMO and INMO, I got to know like, oh, okay, fine, we can use this technique and solve this question much easier. You can solve it in 5 minutes instead of using this technique what you learn in IOQM. So like mostly inequalities, functional equations, geometry is incredibly well in this. And higher algebra is for like basics, people who are starting like brand new and and who have no idea, who's in 7th or 8th grade. They want to start, so you can start from higher algebra of Holland Knight. It's a really nice book, and this book is also it's a really nice book with nice techniques. It has a nice techniques in it. I don't prefer it, but it's a really good book. Maybe 7th and 8th graders can use it because they won't be able to solve the Pathfinder and Allen. And once you want to score like 70 to 80 marks in IOQM, 70 to 80 marks, you need to masterize each subtopic. Like you need to masterize algebra, you need to masterize number theory, you need to masterize geometry. If you want to masterize number theory, there's no other book better than David Burton. You need to buy this book. I mean, I have this book personally, and this is AOPS Volume 2. It's a really nice book. It is for AIME, and if you know that the Indian IOQM paper makers are copying the Americans. So because they're copying the Americans, they're gonna follow the AIME pattern. So if you have solved the previous 30 years of AIME, many questions have been taken directly and they have changed the numericals and they have given. Even in IOQM, they have directly changed up to 15 questions. They would like directly change the numbers and give off. So the AIME, you have to do this book. This is a really awesome book, and if you only have like some 15 to 25 days for IOQM preparation, and you have the knowledge but you haven't started any book, the resonance material, it is hardly some 150 pages, because it's hardly one no, it's not even 150 pages, it's like 100 pages. It's just 100 pages, which allows you to finish the whole book in 15 to 20 days. So because all the other books are like this is a set of 3 books. This will approximately take 3 months at least, and this will also take at least 3 months. This is like a 900-page book. So what I prefer is, if you have less time, then go for the residence book. So I would, what I would say personally is, take any one of these two books. Take any one of these two books. Then take, uh, instead of taking pre-college math, so you need to choose something between pre-college math and volume 2 of art of problem solving, volume 2 and beyond. So I would, if you are only preparing for the IOQM and you're not looking for the next level, then take this book. But if you want to learn, you want to clear RMO, you want to clear INMO this year itself, you want to clear INMO, you want to clear this year INMO, then it's better if you finish the pre-college math. So take any two books, which is one of these two and one of these two, and then solve. These are the best books for PRMO, RMO, or IOQM, I can say. So don't, it's not for RMO, it's only for IOQM, AIME, AMC, and yeah, and other Olympiads like Australian Math Olympiad. The best books, and you don't need to go beyond these books. Even though you have any other coaching material, it's fine. But I would prefer Allen and the Pathfinder as the best books. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you.